Downloading the Cartapack Cathodic Protection application is easy. Open up the Google Play Store and search Cartapack Cathodic Protection. You'll see Cartapack Cathodic Protection pop right up. Click it and press install. It'll take a moment to download, but the installation should be taken care of by itself. If it's your first time accessing the Google Play Store, you will be asked to sign in. You'll have three options here. Option 1, you can sign in using an existing Google account. Option 2, you can create a Google account if you don't have one. Or option 3, you can sign in using an existing email. All you have to do is register that email with Google. To do that, go to a PC and open up a browser. Go to google.com, click sign in on the upper right hand corner. There is a link to create account. You're going to select create account for myself. About midway through that form, there is another link that says use my current email address instead. You're going to click that and fill out the necessary information to get your email address registered with Google.